तो सीनियर मैनेजमेंट persons or director के लिए the imprisonment was 3 to 10 years in the earlier act. We are increasing it to 5 to 10 years, and the fine was up to 1 crore. It has been increased to 5 crore. And finally, the organized crime committers, where there is a mafia gang found, there is a nexus found, as we have experienced. I am not accusing any government, not finding fault. As I said right in the beginning, it is a malaise. It is an issue which is being faced by almost every state and UT of this country, regardless of whichever party in power. It is happening in Punjab. It is happening in Karnataka also, whether we name those states or not. So organized crime, that is examination authority or service provider, institution, whatever, in that case the imprisonment earlier was 5 to 10 years. It's been increased to 7 to 10 years, and the fine was earlier up to 1 crore. It is now proposed to be increased to 10 crore. और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बात जिसका प्रधानमंत्री जी ने वीडियो के माध्यम से जिक्र भी किया, to ensure speedy justice, we will have special fast-track courts established only for the cases dealing with unfair means in examinations. और चाहे वो special task force हो, चाहे वो central agency, because this bill and the earlier bill also entitles the government or the authorizes the government to pass this on to any central agency or to special task force, or even when the police RC is conducting. उनके लिए section 12A has been added to this earlier bill, which provides for special fast track courts. अब उसमें भी हमने एक समय सीमा तय कर दी है. The investigation has to be completed within a span of 2 months, regardless of whether it is a central agency or a special task force. और 2 महीने के भीतर सारी जांच इन्वेस्टिगेशन मुकम्मल की जाएगी, और उसके बाद जो भी ट्रायल कोर्ट होगा, जो अभी इस केस में इज गोइंग टू बी ए फास्ट ट्रैक स्पेशल कोर्ट, उसमें ये 3 महीने, यानी जिस दिन वारदात रिपोर्ट हुई है उस दिन से लेकर के आखिरी निर्णय आने तक 5 महीने से ज़्यादा अवधि काल नहीं रहा जाएगा. So I think this is one of the most important components incorporated in this amendment. और उसके बाद भी अगर कोई अपील करना चाहे तो अपील will not be less than double bench of a high court and appeal within 30 days. That too, if there are justifiable grounds to satisfy the crowd. इसके साथ ही साथ इससे जुड़े जो और जुर्म होंगे, जो और क्राइम होंगे, they will also not go unattended or scot free. जो हमारी भारतीय न्याय समिति के प्रावधान है उसके अंतर्गत उनका भी निवारण करने का प्रावधान रहेगा.